Have you ever needed more credit on one card, but had extra credit available on another? In this video, we'll explain what a credit card credit limit transfer is, how it works, and how it can benefit your financial management. Whether you're looking to consolidate your debt or optimize your credit utilization, understanding credit limit transfers can be a valuable tool. Stay tuned to learn more. What is a credit card credit limit transfer? A credit card credit limit transfer involves moving a portion of your available credit limit from one credit card to another card issued by the same credit card issuer. This can help you better manage your credit limits across different cards, potentially improving your credit utilization ratio and giving you more flexibility with your spending. How does a credit limit transfer work? Here's how a credit limit transfer typically works. Eligibility. Not all credit card issuers offer credit limit transfers. Check with your issuer to see if this option is available and if you meet their requirements. Requesting a transfer. To request a credit limit transfer, contact your credit card issuer. You can usually do this online, by phone, or through your issuer's mobile app. Specify the amount you want to transfer and from which card to which card. Approval process. Your issuer will review your request based on your credit history, account status, and overall credit worthiness. If approved, the requested amount of credit will be transferred from one card to the other. Updated limits. Once the transfer is complete, your new credit limits will be updated on both cards, and you'll receive a notification from your issuer. Benefits of a credit limit transfer. Here are some potential benefits of transferring your credit limit. Improved credit utilization. Balancing your credit limits across multiple cards can help lower your overall credit utilization ratio, which can positively impact your credit score. Increased spending power. Transferring a credit limit to a card with a higher balance can give you more spending power on that card, which can be useful for larger purchases or managing cash flow. Avoiding over-limit fees. If one of your cards is nearing its limit, transferring credit can help you avoid over-limit fees and potential declines on new transactions. Debt consolidation. A credit limit transfer can assist in consolidating debt onto a card with a lower interest rate, potentially saving you money on interest charges. Drawbacks of a credit limit transfer. While there are benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Potential fees. Some issuers may charge fees for credit limit transfers, so it's important to understand any associated costs. Impact on rewards. Transferring credit limits may affect your ability to earn rewards on certain cards if the transferred amount reduces your spending capacity on a rewards-earning card. Credit score impact. While a credit limit transfer can improve your credit utilization ratio, it might also affect your credit score if it results in high utilization on one card. Limitations. Not all issuers offer this service, and there may be restrictions on how often or how much you can transfer between cards. Tips for managing credit limit transfers. Here are some tips to help you manage credit limit transfers effectively. Evaluate your needs. Before requesting a transfer, assess your financial needs and goals to determine if a credit limit transfer is the best option for you. Check for fees. Be aware of any fees associated with the transfer and factor them into your decision-making process. Monitor your credit utilization. Keep an eye on your credit utilization ratio before and after the transfer to ensure it has the desired effect on your credit score. Maintain good credit habits. Continue to make timely payments and manage your credit responsibly to maintain a healthy credit score. Conclusion. A credit card credit limit transfer can be a useful tool for managing your credit and improving your financial flexibility. By understanding how it works and considering the benefits and drawbacks, you can make informed decisions that enhance your overall financial health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your credit cards and personal finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.